Let's introduce Mrs. Rosie, lives in Waxahachie, Texas. From the last few days, she was suffering from high fever and headache. She was planning to visit doctor's place for a thorough checkup. But she was quite worried about traveling crowded public transport and looking for any comfortable alternative. Meanwhile, one of her neighbors suggested her to book a yellow taxi ride offered by Texas Yellow Cab and Checker taxi service. Scrolling down the internet, Mrs. Rosie noticed that it is a leading and reputed yellow taxi service provider in Texas. She was satisfied to know that they offer 24/7 door-to-door transportation with on-time pickup and delivery. Their fleet of vehicles are fully air-conditioned, clean and sanitized after every ride. Even their train drivers always took shortcut routes to reach destination on time. So, without hesitating, she immediately booked a taxi and reached hospital safely. Are you looking for the same? Book your ride now by dialing 817-881-6863. For more information, visit https://bigtexascabs.com/.